What's going on, guys? Vasily here from Auto Excellence, and today I'm going to show you how to reset the oil maintenance light on a 2016 Honda Civic. Now this works for 2017 and 2018 model Civics. This specific one is a push to start. This also works for regular key models. So what you want to do if you have a push to start is press the start button twice to just turn the dash on. You don't have to start the car up, so don't press the brake pedal. And if you have a regular key, you just want to turn it to the on position. What you want to do next is you want to hit this I info button until you get to this screen, and you want to scroll right until you get to the wrench, and then you press the information button again. Oh, actually, sorry. You want to press the enter button, and when you get to the oil life percentage, you want to hold enter down for about 10 seconds. Once you get to this maintenance reset, you're going to see all these different line item numbers. So all these item numbers are different maintenance things, like oil, tire rotation, air filter, transmission fluid. So item 1 would be your oil. So mine has a few different things. If you want to reset all of them, you want to go to all due items and then press enter. Reset complete. Oil life 100%. And that's how you reset it. Alright guys, thanks for watching. As always, you guys, thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure you give this video a like. It does help out the channel a lot. And also, don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell. Thanks.